In this video, I will show you how to stop background running apps on your Android phone to boost your battery lifespan on any Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and proceed to simply scroll down right here and proceed to battery. And the next thing you want to do right here to scroll down right here, go ahead and click on Stop App After Screen Lock. Then you are going to see all apps on your Android phone right here. Now you can see all these apps here are still running in the background. You can, however, select some of the apps you can decide to close all apps running in the background, or better still, you can check some of them right here. So for you to close all apps running in the background to improve the life battery of your phone, simply turn on this. And you are done. You can see all background running apps has been closed. If you want some of the apps here to be running in the background, all you have to do is to simply enable it. Just like so. It's that simple. You can on and off as much as possible. Everything depends on you. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this about Android phone settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.